Aceito vlogs. Yo, we're here at the park right now. Yo, if you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's Aceito vlog. S is a money score or a money sign. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to us. Alright, but right now we're here with Semaj, and we're gonna say what's up to my boy.
What's up?
So, what's up, Semaj? What we finna do today? Or what are we going to do today? Let me teach you proper English for all the YouTube subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Because you gotta be on my ass real quick. You know what I mean?
Ride the motorcycle.
Yeah, we're gonna ride the motorcycle. What do we have here? What kind of motorcycle we have here?
Dirt bike.
I know we got Final Lap Motorsports. I see that. But what kind of dirt bike? So you gotta learn your motorcycles.
Electric one.
Yeah, so we got, I think it's like a 50cc electric dirt bike. Razor, you get this online. And then what else we got that goes with riding? What do you have on right now that goes with riding?
Gear.
Yeah, so what kind of gear you got? Shout out to
Motorcycle gear.
what brand?
Fox.
There we go. We got Fox riding gear. Doesn't have his helmet on. We do promote safety. Always wear a helmet out there, kids. As you see, we got the pads on. He just needs some gloves. He forgot that at the house, but as you can see, also we're just gonna be in grass. So we're gonna have him ride out in the grass. All right, Semaj, show him what's up.
What's up?
Go ahead, ride.
Safety first, though.
Brake. You know how to use the brake. That's how you gonna stop it.
Me? I'm going right here now. I'm late. Excuse me.